Hello everyone, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel, Mike the Tech Savvy. I will be showing you today this HDMI switcher. This is quite an interesting little gadget. It is very cheap usually, and in some cases it can be quite useful. Let's get on with it. This is, well, basically a run-of-the-mill, the cheapest HDMI switcher you can get on the market. Let's take it out of the box. There isn't that much packaging. You have the HDMI switcher and a very short user guide. As you can see, it's not 100% correct what is written here, so yeah, as you can see, this user manual was probably built using Google Translate. The expressions are quite weird, but anyway, you don't need that much to figure out how this works. I'm not really sure of the features. I've used it for a 1080p signal and it works flawlessly. Yeah, here you go on the back, some other specs, and basically this is how it works. So you can plug this in into an HD TV or a monitor or something like that, and here on this end you have 3 inputs and you can insert different stuff into each of them. What's really nice is that you also have a manual switcher here. You can select which one of the signals you want to be used as an input here. But what's more interesting is that if you have multiple cables connected here, when you start a device, it will switch automatically to that input, and if you turn it off and start another one, it will switch to the other one. This feature is quite interesting. It's quite useful. As you can see, you have 3 standard HDMI inputs here. This very short cable, I think it's like 40 centimeters long, and of course another HDMI port here, which is to be plugged straight into the TV or the monitor or whatever. This is a very simple accessory. In some use cases it can be quite useful. So if you have an HDTV with only one HDMI port or a monitor in this situation, this may become quite the accessory, given that its price point is, well, it doesn't really cost that much. You can find it on all the major websites, so eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, everywhere. You can find it for about maybe $4 or $5. And what's really nice about it, it's the fact that it doesn't need another HDMI cable here. This is if it's okay for you, this length. If not, you may want to buy one which doesn't have the cable here. So this basically means that you'll need to source out the cable. It's really dependent on your usage scenario. So this was about it. This was a very short video regarding this HDMI switcher. I first used one of these a couple of years ago, and it's incredible how much of a difference can a simple accessory such as this one make. If you liked this video, please do press the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more similar videos in the future, also press the subscribe button, which will be displayed right here in the bottom left part. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. This was Mike the Tech Savvy. I wish you a great day. Bye.